Creating the packing list either manually or automatically is maintained through the Aria XP, the sales order allocation module. To create a manual packing list, go to Transaction menu, Sales Order Allocation Module, Packing List, then select Manual Packing List. The packing list document is the base for the bill of lading, so you can create multiple packing lists and assign them to the same bill of lading as long as they are shipping to the same store or DC, the same customer, using the same ship via and from the same warehouse. To start adding our packing list, click on the Add New Record. Either type in your order number or select from the browse list the order number that you want to pack. Once you locate your order number, choose it. The system will automatically ask you whether or not you want to create the bill of lading in the same time while you are creating the packing list. So again, you can create multiple packing lists and assign all of them to the same bill of lading as long as they are going to the same account, the same distribution center, and via the same carrier. I'll choose to add a new bill of lading. To start input the packing list information, you have the Header tab, Details tab, and Carton Information tab. In the Header tab, you can add the basic information like notes on where the shipping is going to. You can choose or change the carrier or the ship via, which comes automatically based on the sales order. Weight, carton, and total pieces will be filled in automatically later on once we fill the carton information. And special instruction is optional, like you can add any note you want to indicate to the packers in the warehouse. So I'll put here some simple instruction: do not pre-ship, no back order. The lower part will come basically based on the customer or the EDI partner setup. So carton type, ship to direct to store or DC, and all of these parameters will be based on our customer. Now we are ready to pack our merchandise into cartons. I'll click on the Details tab, and here we will see all the order line information comes in automatically, broken down by style, color, and size. So each line will represent one single style, color, and size. To start packing your merchandise into cartons, you have multiple ways of selecting, either selecting individual line, which represent a style, color, and size, or you can select all the lines, which will apply the entire order lines into one carton, or other way is to select by style, which means the system will automatically select all the lines belonging to one style and give you the ability to apply them in carton. So let me select here by style. As you can see, the system automatically selected all the lines related to all the style, color, no matter what the size is. Then it will give you the opportunity to either pack all the quantity into one carton or select a range of carton. So in that case, I'm gonna select a range of carton. I'll say, for example, apply this style from carton 1 to carton number 3. As you may notice, the system already calculated how many pieces or how many quantity per carton that will fit in based on the number of cartons and the open order quantity that we have. You can fill in the weight per unit, which will allow the system to calculate the total weight for the entire carton. Once you are done with applying your selection, click the apply button, As you may notice, the pack quantity field will be represented with the actual quantity packed into carton. Now, to select the next style or color in a row, you can go to options and choose one of the important options like show open quantities only, clear selection upon apply, or furthermore you can narrow down your style selection based on a filter. So I'll choose here to show only the open quantity remaining balance. That will leave or will narrow down the styles showing on the screen on the ones that are not yet applied. So now let us take another example. I want to pack individually a single style, color and size. So I'll select the extra small and I'll select the small size and I'll fill those two style colors and sizes into one carton. Once I am done with my selection, again I click apply. Now I'll take the medium and large and put them in carton number 5 and 6. So I'll select the range of cartons. System again will automatically calculate the number of pieces or number of styles per carton, and as usual you can fill in the weight per unit by LB, and this will apply or will calculate the total weight per carton. Once you are done with your selection, click apply again. So every time you apply, a new carton will be generated until you deplete all the quantities on that style on that sales order. Now to inquire your carton information, click on carton information tab. Then you will have the opportunity to review the entire carton range generated along with the style, color and size information related. So as you can see, the right hand tab will show you the style, color, size and quantity. For the left tab selected or for the carton number selected. As long as you scroll up and down, the carton information will be refreshed to represent the content of that carton. So as you can see, total pieces, total weight and carton number has been assigned for all the styles. Once you are done reviewing your quantity information by carton, you can save the changes. However, as of this point, you still can modify or even remove an entire carton if you did something wrong. You still can go to a certain carton, click remove, confirm, and that will put back the quantity again into the details tab if you would like to do any revisions or apply the quantity into a different breakdown by carton. So to do this as an example, I'll uncheck the large size and I'll keep the medium. I'll put the weight and apply this into a carton. Then I'll take the size large and I'll apply this into a separate carton with the same weight per unit. Click apply. So now if I go back to the carton information, I'll see the additional cartons that I've added will be at the end of the list. Once you are done packing all the merchandise for that specific sales order and store, you click the save button and the packing list will be generated with the sequence number automatically generated. Hit OK to accept.